Look what I managed to find in Aldi's the other day, guys. I have seen these 4D gummies all over TikTok, and I have wanted to get my hands on them. Hands on them. So I picked up the gummy pumpkins, and I've also got the little eyeballs as well. So we're going to try them.
Wait, they do gummy eyeballs as well?
Yeah, got gummy eyeballs. There's loads in here as well.
I reckon she's the reason that I couldn't get any. Because I wanted to get some of the 4D pumpkin gummies and I couldn't get any.
There you go, bitch. We'll try them. I like doing this. I squeeze a bag.
What a little
We'll give it a squish.
And they've got faces on them too, look.
Squish, squish. Ready? Cheers. Cheers. They're not jelly filled or anything, but
they're actually really nice though.
should we try the eyeballs?
Yeah. Well, we've got those there.
Oh, they're bloody bag open. Done it.
Get off. What colour are you going to have?
I'm going to go for the green one.
I'm going to go for the red one.
The green one.
Popping, you bitch. Oh. I can't get it out. There we are. That's my one. I'm going to squish.
Oh, this green one's really nice. I think I prefer the flavour of those ones. They're both really nice. Yeah, the green one's really nice. I want to try the red one. There's loads in here.
Red one's not too bad. Oh, actually,
I like that they all come individually wrapped as well.
the more you eat it, the more flavour comes out.
Oh, for God's sake. I can't get it open. The green one's really good. Do you like the green one? Anyway, I'm so pleased I actually managed to get my hands on these because I've seen them everywhere.
She hates it when I smack my lips.
I've seen them everywhere and I really, really wanted to try them. But yeah, they are so nice. Piss off. Go away. Next episode of Rate My Plate.
She won't leave me alone, guys. I literally just want to eat my dinner in peace. I'm like, I want to eat my dinner. No, I want to record it. Okay, so we have, it's a pork belly pasta. So I've done pork belly pasta. I've got mushroom bacon lardons. I've used the parmesan. And then I've also used a cream and then put thyme and loads of seasonings on it. That's garlic bread, but it's not garlic bread. So I used the Warburton's fins with a bit of cheese and some alioli and some garlic.
It smells really nice, so let's give it a go. I'm going to use, should I use a spoon or a fork? Spoon or a fork?
I think you should use a spoon, personally, because I feel like you can get all of it in when you use a spoon. I know I like this, but I don't know if she will.
So I've got some pasta, I've got mushroom, and I've also got...
Show it close to the camera, they want to see, look.
I've got a bit of all sorts here, I've got all of it there, so let's go.
Oh. It's one of my favourite meals. I don't know if she'll like it. You don't like it?
No, that's good.
Oh, is it good? You like it? I thought that she actually didn't like it. What? Really? You like it?
It's really nice.
Oh, it's one of my favourite meals.
It's really nice. And we've got the garlic bread as well. So you've put alioli on here, haven't you? And then some mozzarella.
And garlic and a bit of salt.
That's good.
Yeah.
I'd give this one a 10 out of 10 as well.
I think she's lying to me, guys, to make
I'm
me feel
not.
good.
Honestly.
Also, look what she's fucking done. She comes around here and makes me show everyone what we're eating for dinner. I just want to eat in pig. She broke my candle. So not only has she broken my candle...
Oh, she's making me dinner. Thank you, Slave. Bitch. No, it's honestly, it's really nice. I wouldn't lie. And I just really appreciate someone else cooking for me. It means I haven't got to do it. So yeah, 10 out of 10.
Cheers.
Cheers. 10 out of 10.
Oh.